Hey, Tefen here from Tefen's Tech, and this is a quick unboxing video of the 1STPLAYER mechanical keyboard, specifically the DK5 LITE model. We're going to open it up quickly, find out what's in the box, and if you want to find out more, you'll have to stay tuned, not in this video, but another video that will be coming soon of my full review of this keyboard. There will also be a written article, and it'll all be available on tefenstech.com. That's right. So, let's get straight into it. Open up this right here, then you open up that, and there, see, it's open. Now, lift up this, and take the keyboard out. Box is empty, keyboard is out. There's a bag around the cord. It is your just typical regular cord. There is no braiding. And there is a manual. Just basically shows to plug it into the USB of your computer, and that is pretty much it. Yeah, that is it. So there's not any information in the manual about the software, no. So it tells you the function keys and things on how to change the modes, but as far as I am aware, there is software support for it available on their website, and yeah, I'll leave links to that in the review. So here's the totality of the keyboard itself. It is a typical 10 keyless keyboard. So it's switches sound. These are red switches in here. I think they're either Gatoron or Automo switches. I'll have to find out. You can find out in the review. I'll hopefully have the information by then for that. So yeah, that's basically, that's it. That's the entirety of this video. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure to check out tefenstech.com for the review video that will be coming up, as well as written article. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a very happy day.